So here's a little video of our day. It started off quite chilled. The kids went, the younger two went off to a party with Gav, had quite a good time. Then our day followed by viewing the house that we reserved, so hopefully that all goes through. The rest of the video will show a tour of that house and also us doing a little bit of shopping. Comment down below how your day's going and if you like the house, if you want any further details.
I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking cause you're holding it back.
When they came back,
Baby, you'll make up your mind. Now I'm here by your side. So